Onpassive is a blend of the vibrations and energies of love, compassion, happiness, gratitude, and appreciation of our CEO that is so magnetic to us founders who believe in him wholeheartedly and being confident from the start that we all in it to win it in this game. Unpassive, yes, it is a beacon of light. It is a message from the universe to each one of us founders and even non founders that you are heading in the right direction in your life. And this has been achieved through your positive mindset, good intentions, affirmations, actions, and expectations, of course. God bless you all and stay connected to this light and passive. I love you and you take care of yourselves.